Day 2 here at TriggrCon 2023 in beautiful Wichita, Kansas. That is the show floor down below. We're going to go down there, talk with some pretty cool companies, check out some pretty neat products. We'll meet you down there. Let's go. Let's talk some Girsan High Power, Paul. Oh, what do you got, man?
Oh, we have several different models. We have the traditional.
That one's brown.
It is. Comes in a dark earth, two-tone, or...
Does it come in a light earth?
Pardon me?
Does it come in a light earth?
A light earth? No. Only a dark earth.
Only a dark earth. Okay. Well, that's fine.
So, well, this model here is a basic model.
Okay.
Similar to the Mark III.
So that's where it started.
It started right here. We started bringing.
So you said you said the other night though that did you say your first handgun was
a Browning High Power?
Really? So this one similar
Girsan
to...
High Power. Oh, it's like pretty much identical.
Really?
To what I have. Mine's a Mark III.
Okay. Cool.
So everything's traditional on it. It still has the magazine disconnect.
Right.
Ambi safeties, fixed sights, and then we've gone further. We have a whole family of them. We created a PI model, which is identical to this one, based on the Mark III.
It's like me. It's shorter.
It is, but not that short.
Well, it's true. It's true.
Same ergonomics, except it's smaller, more compact. Sight system's the same.
And that, so the PI model, that was only introduced historically for a short period of time, wasn't it?
It was. It was built by the Argentinians.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't built by FN.
Right.
Okay.
Gotcha.
They are the only ones to ever have a blueprint of that particular gun from FN.
Yeah.
But it was micros off.
And the bring back of the PI, that's unique to you guys, right?
That was related to us. We brought this back. We wanted to bring it back and make a compact high power.
Yeah.
Makes it a little bit easier to carry, etc.
Yeah, right. Especially for those that like a high power, right? Like that double stack 9.
Exactly. So we have traditional, but then you look out there, all the custom people were building Girsan High Powers or High Powers with a beaver tail, adding it to it, adding a mag weld, adding a straight trigger, adjustable sights. What we did is we incorporated it into what we call our match. So we took the Mark III and brought it into the 21st century.
Heck yeah.
More economics, no hammer bite, more stability, no extra radial over travel on the trigger, so it's more direct. Same as ambush safeties. But we also have two different versions of this. We have our match and our ops.
Everything's optic nowadays, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you prefer? I'm just curious.
I am still an iron sight guy.
Yeah, that's good. Me too.
I'm progressing towards the with my eyes getting the way they are.
Right? Yeah. It's getting that way. Yeah.
So I'm starting to go to optics. All the ones that are going to start coming in will be optic ready. So they'll come with a plate, a sight, and then you'll have your option to put what optic you want on.
Yeah, but what you're saying is that's an option. If you want to run irons, just leave the plate on there and
leave it on there.
Yeah.
We also created a PI.
Oh, PI in the fancy one.
It is. But it's the compact.
It's a short one.
Rail, straight trigger, beaver tail, and mag weld.
Right.
So we have a full family of everything you want in a high power, and there are new additions coming out.
Yes, there are.
Yes.
You'll always have new stuff coming out.
Yes.
I don't know what more you can do. Is there a nuclear warhead on one?
Not yet. Okay. We're working on that for your neighborhood superior.
Poison darts, maybe.
Poison darts? No. We're not allowed to do that. That's only down in South America.
Oh, okay. I got you. So, yeah, I hear you. So, Paul, thanks, buddy, for talking high power. Appreciate it, man. That's going to do it for this one. Well, next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom. Bye.